Digital dentistry is a journey with distinct phases, and when executed properly, it can lead to predictable outcomes. Elos Accurate Digital Smart Flow supports labs and clinics with essential components for every stage, from scanning to designing and manufacturing. Scanning is the gateway to a successful digital workflow. Elos Accurate scan bodies provide high accuracy and compatibility with all major platforms, ensuring flexibility for clinics and dentists without being tied to any specific product ecosystem. During the design phase, Elos Accurate offers open digital libraries with preset parameters, fully compatible with leading CAD software like 3Shape and ExoCAD for seamless integration. In the manufacturing phase, Elos provides a range of components that facilitate efficient and accurate processes, supporting open workflows to avoid lock-in to proprietary systems or providers. The openness and flexibility of Digital SmartFlow enables labs and clinics to tailor their digital workflows to meet their unique needs and those of their patients, ensuring optimal results at every step.